Ever wondered how computers talk to each other in a network? Why does one system crash affect the whole setup while other keeps working smoothly? Let's decode it with network topology. In this video, we will explore different types of network topologies, the way computers, cables, and devices are connected. Let's begin it. A network topology is the layout or arrangement of devices in a network. It shows how data travels from one computer to another and how everything is connected. There are six common types of topologies: bus, star, ring, mesh, tree, and hybrid. Let's understand them one by one. In bus topology, all devices connected to a single central cable. It's simple and cost effective, but if the main cable fails, the entire network crashes. In star topology, every device connected to a central hub. If one device fails, others still work. But if the hub goes down, everything stops. In ring topology, each device connected in a circle, data flows in one direction, making it efficient. But if one connection breaks, the whole network is at risk. This one's powerful. In mesh topology, every device connects to every other. It's fast, fault tolerant, and secure, but also expensive and complex. Tree topology looks like a family tree, a mix of star and bus topologies. It's scalable and organized, but the backbone line must stay strong. Hybrid topology is a combo using different topologies together. It's flexible and efficient, but designing and managing it can be tough. Let's quickly compare all types. Bus is simple, star is easy, mesh is reliable, and hybrid is powerful, but each comes with pros and cons. So, the right topology depends on your needs: speed, cost, scalability, and fault tolerance. Choose wisely. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials. Comment below which topology would you use and why. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. We will see you in next video. Thank you.